I am a part of a people long forgotten by time. My race was eliminated by the foulest of creatures, and I have spent all my days hunting for them, waiting for the 7th sunfall of the 6th month to avenge my people. I am the Birdman! I've gone through the most rigorous training I know of. My body is now completely purged of fat. I am pure muscle. Every fiber of my being, every inch of this toned body is fit. I am now fully ready to enact my revenge on those feathery beasts. Look at those moves. Do you think just anyone can do that? Well, they can't. And anyone who says otherwise to you is probably lying. That or they know if the game just ends 3. My time for vengeance has almost arrived. And with nightfall setting, the beasts are heading for what will soon be the most opportune doom. Look at them, pretending to be all innocent. They are monsters! My time has come. Vengeance is mine! I have failed my people.
Do you want a popsicle?
Dang it! Keep it fedorable so you don't fail your people. Like, comment, and subscribe.